Islamic terrorism! Down, down! Down, down!
Down, down!
Down, down!
Islamic terrorism.
Down, down!
Islamic terrorism.
Down, down!
Pakistan.
Zindabad!
Pakistan.
Murdabad!
Pakistan.
Murdabad!
Pakistan.
Murdabad!
Pakistan.
Murdabad!
Pakistan.
Murdabad!
Pakistan.
Murdabad!
Islamic terrorism.
Down, down!
We are here, the Washington, D.C., Virginia, Maryland, Kashmiri, as well as all Hindu communities here together, here in the historic Washington Monument, here getting together to mourn the massacre of Hindus in Pahalgam a few days back. And the main reason for us here to come is to awaken the conscience of humanity, awaken the conscience of America, awaken the conscience of India, and awaken almost every victim country of the world who are being terrorized by radical Islamic terrorism. Gone are the days when people could become apologists to explain these killings. Gone are the days when New York Times could be believed to give any news who tries to characterize these victims as somehow victims of shooting, who calls these as gunmen. The honest truth is, we are telling here, New York Times, it may be time for you to correct your English and know that this was a heinous crime of terrorism against innocent tourists. Imagine in 2025, tourist is asked to identify whether they are Muslims or non-Muslims. They're asked to recite kalma.
About the procession and the
आसिफ मुनीर कातिल है
Asif Munir
कातिल है
Pakistan Army
कातिल है
Pakistan Army
कातिल है
Pakistan Army.
I would like to urge President Trump and the US administration to recognize the terrorism problem that's existing out there in Kashmir. The proxy war that Pakistan has been instigating, funding, and sort of orchestrating for the last decades. We have had 30,000 plus more Indians and Hindus being targeted. It's time to solve this problem, this proxy war problem, and for once and all, highlight the terrorism that Pakistan is instigating and is responsible for in this region.
Pakistan Army
कातिल है
Pakistan Army
कातिल है
Pakistan Army.
टेररिस्ट है
Now, to join that Hindu search portal. Thank you.
Today I decided to come and just mourn with the rest of the community because this is a really tragic event that happened, and a lot of the media fails to emphasize the fact that this was targeted on the Hindu religion. They specifically asked them what their religion is before killing them, and there's like lots of people in my generation, I see them celebrating all the festivals and everything, but when it comes to things like this, they are unable to speak up about Hindu issues. So I wanted to be here and make sure that I'm there for my community in the good times and also in the bad times. Yeah, certainly the attack by Hamas on October 7th against Israel, where they took many hostages, many people died. There's definitely a parallel between that. But again, India has always had a very nonviolent approach to other countries. And so I think the way we respond has to be very tactical, but we also have to stand up for ourselves and fight back at some point.
Acknowledges finally what has actually been happening to Kashmiri Hindus over decades. Range, and we still go around making stories, spreading false narratives that they just.
I would say, and the tragedies that we have ignored. And here in India, it's been there. The information can be shared, awareness is here, and many others are here.
Islamic terrorism.
down down
Islamic terrorism.
down down
Asif Munir
कातिल है
Pakistan Army
कातिल है
Pakistan Army.
टेररिस्ट है
Hunt down.
पाकिस्तान आर्मी
Hunt down.
पाकिस्तान just hunt it down